This is full Windsor Magware, the magnetic cutlery that will go with you everywhere. Disposable plastic cutlery. Yeah, it's a major problem. Millions of single-use plastic utensils make their way into our oceans every year, having a catastrophic impact on our environment and wildlife. Bringing your own cutlery is a bona fide solution. Magware utensils are a simple solution to help you do your part. We've designed them to be as organized and easy to carry as possible. Carrying a drink bottle has become ubiquitous with people's everyday lives. Let's do the same with how we eat. Pledge to make a difference. Pledge for your own set of Magware today.